and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chelsea, and if you're new around here would like to see beauty related content on this channel, if that's what you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. So today's video, we've got the haul after Christmas, so what I spent my Christmas money on, beauty edition, and I've got a few like beauty boxes as well that I brought, which are actually quite good, you know. Yeah, I didn't buy heaps of stuff, so this isn't going to be a very long haul like what it usually is. You know what, I went to London shopping and I couldn't actually find much. Everything that I wanted was either out of stock in the shade that I wanted or out of stock in the size that I wanted. And yeah, you know, I'm always very much yes to high street shopping, but the past few times that I've been, it's been absolutely dead. But yeah, anyway, I have got one more order that I'm waiting on, which is a Charlotte Tilbury order, but it's only 2 things and it's probably not going to be here till end of next week, and I really wanted to film this video, so I'll just pop that onto YouTube Shorts or a reel. They're my rollers. If you can hear some sort of scuffling or a meow, then that is Michael being a pain in my ass. So I've got a few bits here and I've got a few more bits as well. So I think let's unbox the Asos box first. So this beauty box I literally saw on Friday, ordered it on Friday, and then it arrived Saturday, and then I'm filming this on the Sunday. So wait there. This is the Asos box. So I'm pretty sure it says this is the January one. So they release one once a month, I believe, and it's £15. So it is very cheap, and you get really good brands in there. It says it's the Jan Refresh box, 2023's very first Asos face and body box, which is stuffed with skin-tastic treats. So all about going back to beauty school basics with your skincare. But when I saw this, the brands in there are really good. First things first. We've got an Oscar London Renaissance Mask, Nutri-Active Brighten and Resurfacing Mask, and inside this you get 14ml of product, so it's like a deluxe mini. This is what it looks like. And then we've got a Sunday Riley Good Genes Glycolic Acid Treatment, and this is a 5ml sample size. And then there's an Herborian Korean Skin Therapy Skin Hero. So this is a bare skin perfector. Again, another 5ml sample. And this apparently is silicone free and it transforms your face within 7 days. We'll see about that. And then I've got a Dr. Barbara Sturm, the Better Be Niacinamide Serum, which is a 3ml sample. Oh, this looks so cute. It's got like a little pipette as well, so that's quite a good size, to be fair, just to try things out. And then you get a Elemis Pro Collagen Naked Cleansing Bar, which I absolutely love this, and I have run out, so I'm buzzing about getting this. This is in a 10-gram tub, so it will still last me because you only need the smallest amount, but I just love the smell of this. The smell of this really reminds me of the Bobbi Brown Enriched Face Base, like that kind of citrusy fresh scent. And then, which I'm really excited to try, the Charlotte Tilbury Glow Toner, which has got niacinamide and it has pore tight peptide exfoliative daily radiant glow solution. And again, this is a 5ml bottle, so that's what the packaging looks like. And just look at that little cute toning bottle. How cute is that? Really, really nice size things, a really good brand, and for £15, I don't think you can go wrong. These Asos boxes sell out so quickly, so as soon as you see people post that on Instagram and you want it, you need to get it straight away. So that's one box. And then I also did a Sephora one, which obviously Sephora was previously Feel Unique. And with the Sephora / Feel Unique, so you can choose 5 products and that's like £13.95. Or you can do like packet samples, like sachet samples, and you just have to pay for postage, and you can choose 5 of those as well. So the packet samples I chose was a Givenchy, you know who they are, Prism, Libra, Skincare and Glow. So I'm pretty sure this is a foundation sample, and this is in the shade 3N250. I really want to try that because I want to try more Givenchy, that's how you say it, isn't it? Makeup, because I just love the look of their products, but they're just so expensive. Then we've got a Wishful, a Thirst Trap sample, a One Size Secure the Blur Primer sample, a Prada perfume sample, and then also Valentino perfume sample in Born in Roma Yellow Dream. And then you also get this little Sephora bag, which I think is really cute. And in here we've got a Giselle honey infused leave-in conditioner for your hair, and this is a 12ml. Oh, that's so cute. And I keep seeing loads of people use this brand when they're placing their Sephora orders. And then I also got a Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Serum. And this is a 5ml sample as well, so another good size. And then we've got a Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Heat. So this is the mini one and it's in the shade Hot Cherry, which let's actually try it. How cute is that? I can't believe you get a Fenty Gloss Bomb in there. I've not tried this one before, so I'm pretty sure this is meant to be the plumping one, the heat one. Yeah, I can feel it tingling a little bit already. Buzzing about that. And then we also got a Fenty Fat Water Pore Refine and Toner Serum. This is what it looks like. I just can't cope with these little mini bottles. They're just so bloody cute. And that's 10ml. You get 10ml in there, which I think is really good. And then I got a One Size Secure the Blur primer. So just another one of those sample primers. And in here you get 5ml of product, which is really exciting because I've not tried anything from One Size and I do want to get some of their product, but I've heard really mixed reviews about them, so we will see. So I think the only beauty thing that I actually got from London was a extra large Urban Decay All Nighter spray. So this is my favourite setting spray and it was reduced from £39 to £25 I believe, which is an absolute steal. I absolutely love this setting spray. It's the best one that I feel like works in terms of longevity for your makeup. It helps melt it all in and the mist is good. But yeah, so inside here you get 240 mils, so hopefully that will last me a while, but I do go through setting sprays quite quickly. And then I also got this blush from Primark, just a £1 blush, because I absolutely love these blushes. I've got a pink one already, but this is in the shade True Peach. Oh yeah, I can feel the tingle on that lip gloss now. So I just want to give this a nice little swatch. But yeah, I do love the Primark blushes. They're so good for £1. That's a really pretty peach, like corally peach colour. And then we got a few Made by Mitchell things from TikTok shop. So I got the famous blusher in the blush press in the shade Milkshake. So the pink one that is apparently meant to look like the Dior one, like the bluey pink. I've got 3 blushes in this. I didn't even realise that. But it's just your true cool toned pink, which I absolutely love in a blush. And I used this on New Year's Eve and it is so nice. They're so pigmented as well. I do want to get a few more of them. But yeah, love that. And then I brought 2 of the Disco Blush Lights because these were on sale. I believe they're only £7.50 each. And I got the shade. So I've got Creamy Bellini and Hold My Gold. And I think Hold My Gold's quite an olivey, antique-y kind of gold, which looks stunning. And Creamy Bellini is another popular shade. And it's like that peachy. But they look beautiful. So there's Creamy Bellini, there's Hold My Gold. And these will look so nice on the eyes. You could probably use Creamy Bellini on the cheeks perhaps, maybe on the lips as well, and then that's them blended out, but they're just so glittery and pretty. Look at my hands, stunning, absolutely stunning. So yeah, I've got a few of these now. I've got the Bronze Bish and I've got those 2. I've obviously got Drip Drip, no not Drip Drip, Drip Drip. I do want to get some more of them because like I say, I love Drip Drip on the eyes. It's what I wore New Year's Eve. If you want me to do a video recreating my New Year's Eve makeup look, then let me know. I'll insert a picture or whatever that I've got here. I was absolutely in love with my New Year's Eve makeup look, and it's the kind of makeup that I tend to do whenever I go out now, which is just like quite a winged out, subtle smoky eye, very winged out, like elevated with like a brown smoky wing, and then just drip drip, like very lightly dabbed on the inner corner, and I popped a little bit on my lower lash line as well, just because it's New Year's Eve. And yeah, and it was really, really nice with a nice cool toned pink blush and a very beigey nude kind of lipstick as well. If you want me to recreate that on my YouTube, then do let me know because it's a very nice going out makeup look. Then I also got a Charlotte Tilbury gloss. So this is the Collagen Lip Bath Gold. It just looks so pretty, and I really like the look of the wand as well. It's like in a slight heart shape. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Look at that. got gloss over gloss over gloss at the moment. So basically, I picked this up from Tatty Lashes. So these are the Tatty Lashes individuals in the Mon Cherie. So this is for the mega volume look. So I've been loving doing lashes, you know, like these kind of clusters, just for like the week, because then I don't really have to put any makeup on. They last me a good few days as long as I don't wear my sleep mask. And yeah, but they always look very natural, and I like to build them up a bit. These are the very long, thick ones. So I'm excited to try these because I think these will look beautiful. Another purchase from TikTok shop, which is the ISO Clean set. So basically, I think this is £18. So you get this one, which is the 165ml with the, you can tell I've already cleaned my brushes because it looks a little bit dirty, with the little tray, dipping tray, and then you get this refill, which is actually more than that. I'm pretty sure this was like 250ml, so I can either refill that one or I can refill my spray, but all which does actually need refilling, because this is the best brush cleaner ever. It's so good, so quick as well, mess free. I like to use this in between washes and then to really wash with the dip tray. But yeah, just think it's so much easier to do. And then your girl got a little Dior parcel, which I'm absolutely buzzing about because this is something that I've wanted for ages. But inside we've got a little bag, and you get 2 samples for free. Like, ordering from the Dior website is so good because you get so much stuff. You get all this complimentary packaging, free post-and packaging, and then also 2 samples. So I opted for the Forever Skin Glow Perfection and Hydration Foundation, and then this one's just the Forever foundation, I think. The star of the show is I finally got the Dior Backstage blush in the shade 001 Pink. Now, I always look for this kind of toned blush. I've got so many of them, but this is what she looks like. Oh, 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 oh. It is just so beautiful. I just love this pink shade, like this bluey, cool tone pink shade. I've got so many blushes like this now because I'm always like, oh, look for the one that's like Dior. When really I should have just brought the Dior one. But mind you, I have tried to buy it for ages, but it's always been bloody out of stock. I really want to get the coral one as well because that looks like a beautiful shade, especially in the spring, summer. And then last but not least, I've got something from Space NK, who packaged it up very nicely as well, so I haven't taken it out. But I got the Vive set, which this is the Globy Trotter set, and it's got a mini Skin Nova, a Skin Dew, and a Lip Dew, which I'm absolutely buzzing about. Yeah, so the Skin Nova is the Instant Radiance Primer, the Skin Dew is the Glow Multitasker, and the Lip Dew is the Glossy Lip Oil. So I actually wanted to buy this from Cult Beauty, I think, but then after Christmas, it was no longer on the website, so then I walked into Space NK and I saw it was there, and I was like, I need to buy that. I think it was only like £27 for the 3. But yeah, I just thought, how cute was that? I thought it was a really nice little gift set and a little treat to me. So that is everything that I got. I did pick up a few clothes items as well, like including the famous TikTok gilet, which has arrived, and it's actually quite nice. But yeah, now I'm on a bit of a ban. Apart from, actually, I need to spend that Space NK voucher. Okay, I'll be on a ban after I spend that Space NK voucher. But yes, so there will be less hauls, but more organising and collection videos coming up. We've got my annual makeup inventory coming up. And yeah, I've got boxes and boxes of makeup on my bed that is brought since Black Friday and obviously Christmas and Boxing Day sales that I need to put away. So I need to do a big declutter first. So expect those videos coming up soon. Hopefully you like those organisational videos. And if there's anything that you want to see in between with some of the new palettes that I picked up or anything like that, then please do let me know. Sound it off below and I will get that up ready for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe and also leave me that comment down below, and hopefully I shall see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.